these two together. And Blossom Gel right here. Before that, I'm going to using the pickers, the crystal pickers, and then on the other side with the dot tool, and give it a quick swirl. So now it's really simple and easy. It's not as like right ways or wrong way to do. It's just how you like it to look. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit swirl together. So I'm go ahead and using the twin tip brush. But before that, we're gonna apply the Blossom gels. And if you want your designs, your marble to spread faster, you are going to apply a little bit a good layer, but you don't want to be too thick. And you can do it thin, or it's about a right thickness. So then that's where your Blossoms gel will do all the magic work for you. Don't care yet. And then you're gonna start picking up. You can using a smaller brush, is up to you, or you can using this, the twin tip brush. Thanks so much, Glitz fam, for tuning in. And then you can swirl it the way you want it, and you will never go wrong with this. And it does all the magic work for you. That's it. You can start seeing the beauties, like they start getting, spreading it out for you. See how nice, simple it is. And then you don't have to pull, just like lightly holding the brush and lightly let it lay on it. You see how beautiful it's spreading out for you. And then when you like it, it looks like this. And we are going to key it for is 60 seconds. That's how simple it is. Super cute. All right, key it quick. And then just on the flash key. And then we're doing the crystal placement on that. This is the first looks super cute and simple, right? I'm just wipe off the residues from the crystals. Okay. And this one, you can use it for another nails, just in case you're doing 2 nails for the clients or yourself. And here's the first looks. And then for the next one, we'll all go ahead and using condensed glue gel. And then this one, if you remember, I did this one from my Valentine mystery, Valentine collectible mix bag. I pull it out. So, all right. So let's do condensed glue gel, because in a collectible mix bag have a lot of elements, like the one I used yesterday for the Mardi Gras nails. Like the same thing, I using it from all the bags. So the bag is really cool. It's had a lot of elements in there, so then I can able to play with and expand it and then be creative. So now here is the note for a lot of you love like this, and you want to add some of the veinings, like a gold veinings, red veinings on, or silver veining is great. And you can add some veinings on here for 60 seconds, and then top coat, you're good to go. You can either shiny top coat or matte top coat. It's up to you and your clients. However, if you want to add some more crystal on, we are going to using crystal Trifecta, which is one really good layer of the condensed glue gels. If you are placing on the first time, you feel like, oh my god, Nancy, my crystal, my stone is just like ship up so much and I couldn't control it. I'll try another time. I'll try again with a little bit less of condensed glue gel and less of the top coat. You might apply a little bit extra, so do a little bit less of the top coat and condensed glue gel. You will definitely get hang of it in like a couple times. So crystal on. And you see, when I start with the crystal placement, I always start with the centerpiece first. If you pay attention on the other one, I did the same with centerpiece. Is basically indicate that the one of the biggest like crystal that you like to place it on first, and then you're gonna using a lot of other to work around. I really want to add this one on. You can if you don't want to, you can just like to reduce this part and just go right in to yours. I think I like it like that. You can just want to be simple. You want to add more. It's really up to you. And it's no wrong ways or right way. But here's just the tip and trick, the keys. As long as you keep all of your crystals, your beauties elements is tight and close together, the closer, the better. So it's going to make your crystal placement, it looks really connects, and it looks more like in it's fun crystal placement, design your art instead of just pile them together. This one, it's more like a jewelry look. I used to the same thing with I used to want to learn with the crystal placement. I didn't know how to do, but I love the crystal so much, so I just pile as much as possible on my nails to call it good. It's over a period of time. I love that how we can able to create a lot of different designs to make it look like a jewelry when you're wearing jewelry instead of just like a piece of crystal on the nails. All right, so if you're happy with this, I skip a couple of this. You can add it on as you prefer. You can just like remove it. However, it's just really depend on how much you want on your crystal on the nail. And also with the clients and how much they want on their nails. Like they want a $10 crystal placement. They want $15 crystal placement. They want $20 crystal placement. They want $25 crystal placement on one nails, or they want $30. It's just really, you can check with them and consult with them. And if you're doing for yourself, same thing. If you want a lot of crystal like me, add a lot more. Like too short, just as long as you connect them all together so tight, they always come out beautiful. So here, once you're happy with this, for the